Want to increase your Google sales? Use Deliverr. What is Deliverr? Deliverr is a dynamic shipping startup that is based in San Francisco. It delivers products for its clients, who are mainly e-commerce brands. Deliverr features: first, multiple locations; second, fast delivery; third, fees; 4, product return; 5, security. First, multiple locations. To have quick and affordable order delivery, one must have multiple fulfillment locations. Deliverr has a network of warehouses located across the USA, all capable of handling at least 2,000 orders per day each. Second, fast delivery. Quick delivery capabilities through the use of its dispersed fulfillment centers. With such a system, they can deliver orders quickly, and it only takes 3 days for more than 95% of customers to receive their packages. 3. Fees. Deliverr storage fees fall into 2 categories: fulfillment and storage. Deliverr uses a per-unit pricing basis to determine the storage fee for various products. The longer you want to store it, the more will be charges. 4. Product return. Deliverr does not offer customer returns. This is one of the major downsides of this e-commerce fulfillment company because they are worried about fraud concerns. 5. Security. Deliverr has standard security protocols that protect all inventories. This fulfillment service provider does not ensure damaged or lost products in its fulfillment centers, but it nonetheless takes measures to make sure these things don't happen. Deliverr pricing plans are as follows. Pros. First, the Deliverr platform has a very simple pricing structure which is very easy to understand and is very transparent. Second, one of the major pros of the Deliverr is that the Deliverr has the major warehouses all across the United States. Third, the fulfillment service of the Deliverr platform is very dependable and reliable. 4. This platform can integrate with many amazing big platforms such as Amazon, eBay, Google, Facebook, and Instagram. Cons. First, Deliverr does not support the creation of employee accounts, which makes it difficult to delegate specific tasks. Second, the Deliverr platform does not have several branding options. This can be a matter of concern for some people. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.